Hi, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our 10x Flow SEO YouTube channel. I'm Kumar here, and today's video we are going to cover a crucial topic: how to delete a folder in Dropbox, and just importantly, how to restore it if you change your mind. Let's jump right in. Deleting a folder can save free space, but what if accidentally delete something important? We will show you how to confidently manage folders in Dropbox. Here I'm in my Dropbox account. Um, you can see my files here, and I'm going to delete this shared files folder. So I can go to my files here, all files, and here I can select one file folder or multiple things at once and click, and you can click delete. That's You can see it's pretty easy to delete something. If you accidentally delete something important, you can restore back. In Dropbox, it's like Windows. In Windows, you have a recycle bin. Yeah, the same. You can find the deleted files here. This is the file we just deleted. So I can restore it back like this. Now it's available. Right. In all files now it's available. If I want to delete it permanently, I can delete from here, and in deleted file, we can select it and permanently delete this thing. So you don't have to so much worried about accidentally file deletion. So we can get it back using this step, and you can keep your storage clean. That's how we can do the things. And that's a wrap. You know how to delete folders in Dropbox and how to rescue it from digital abyss. So manage your Dropbox has never been easier. If you find this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and keep things folder organized. Bye bye.